Hi, welcome to Five Mantra. We are going to discuss about if blocks, and this is BL already. And in a C language, how the if block will be used, that already we know. And in a special case, how it will be behave, that we are going to do right now. Okay, whenever we are discussing of the if block has to be worked with the uh, relational operators and logical operators. With the help of that only condition will be implemented. If condition is true, then if block will be executed. If condition is false, it cannot do any activity. Okay, this is the normal scenario, already we know that. Okay, this is a already we know that condition is true. When I have a condition is true, then it will do something activity, otherwise, okay, it will do some activity, otherwise, and after completion of this it will goes to this one. So my basic question is, okay, if one printf hello, what it will give, whether it will generate error or whether it will execute the code, that we are going to discuss today. And this is the common scenario we'll get in a interview, right? So here I have some data, right? I don't have any data directly. I'm printing one. I'm giving the if condition, and this is the syntax. You know that, okay? If condition syntax is if. This is a comment. I'm working with the comments. If condition is true, condition. Okay, based on that condition, it will do this one. Okay, this is the true block. What we called. It won't concentrate on false, then it's over. And you can write multiple lines. Whenever you are writing a multiple lines, you will go with this curly brackets, okay, that is used to create it will create a block, okay, logical block for my application, okay. Right, this is the condition, okay. This is the syntax for the if condition is true, then it will enter into the true block, otherwise false block. Okay, if I am not provide any condition, what will happen? That is my basic question. Here it is. Okay, now see that if, okay, and I'm giving nothing, what will happen? This is the basic question you will get. So I'm giving you one message, that is hello. Okay, now what it will print? If I am not provided condition, what it will print? This is a basic question. Maybe in interviews you will get. Actually, it will give you a error. Okay, we'll see that one, whether it is right or wrong. Okay, expression syntax is required. Expression syntax is required. That is the important one. Expression. This is a, whenever you want to learn any language, first you concentrate on errors. Okay, what type of error you will get? Maybe sometimes they will ask the question like, okay, they will give this snippet and they will ask the question, what is the output for this? Okay, if you practice well, it is, you will get the error. First you have to concentrate on error message. What type of error it is giving? Expression syntax. Why? Because you miss the syntax. In the syntax already I said, if condition is true, condition, if without condition it will give the error. In expression you miss the condition, because of that it is giving the error. So you cannot left the condition block. Okay, you must provide something. Okay, I'll provide something like 0 or 1 2 3 4 5, some number I am giving. What will happen? This is a basic question, right? Okay, it will execute. Means here when I am not providing a condition, it's showing the error. Now I am providing the some value instead of condition. What? Oh, thank God, there is no error. Hello, Five Mantra. I got the message. When I enter into the 1 2 3 4 5 6, what is the output? It is very confusing factor, right? So I'll use the one CLR SCR is the one function. I'll use that. What is the use of CLR SCR? You know that. Clear the screen. Now I'll check what will happen. Right? If you see that there is no error, but I got a message, hello Five Mantra. That's great. How it was happen means, in a C language, whenever you want to give the information true or false, you have to provide non-zero value for true, either one or non-zero value means either one or anything. Okay, if it is a 0 means false. This is the important one. 0 means false, non-zero value means true, right? I'll provide 0, what will happen? See, now if I write a 0, what will happen, that we have to check. Okay, 0 means false. Okay, it won't execute this block. Okay, I'll give one message, printf out of if block. Out of if block. Okay, just I'll run this code. Once you run this code, you can understand how this will be executed. Okay, now if you see that is a out of block, it is a out of block means it is not enter, means that 0 means false. When condition is false, that loop block will not be executed. That is the important point you have to remember. Now basic question. Next I am giving next one, that is, if I give -1 to, what will happen? This is a basic question, right? What is the output if I give negative numbers? Please expect, already I given the answer. The answer is nothing but a non-zero value is nothing but a true. Then hello 5 mantra will be print, and after that it will print out of the block. Means it will print condition is true, then it will print a hello mantra, after that it will print out of the block. Okay, we don't have a new line, because of that it is giving a site. Okay, now you understood, right, how to use the if block. When I have a 0 means false, when I have a negative number or positive number or any number, that is a true. And if I give something like what is that, if I empty, condition is x, I am not provided a condition, then it will give the error. Okay, now another level of checking we'll do that. If I give constant like a, I want to provide a is the one constant, I want to provide this, what is the thing it will give? What is expectation? Please give the output. Now no need, because see that whenever I am providing a character constant, it will be converted into ASCII value. ASCII value is nothing but a integer value, then the condition will be true, then it will provide the same thing, right? Okay, means before we provided integer constant, now I am providing a character constant, but output will be the same because some value you are providing. Okay, and if I provide any special symbol directly, what will happen? These are the effective, because if you practice well, then it will do something like I provided @ symbol, what will happen? See that is a symbol. I'm using a symbol. What will happen? It is a symbol is also nothing but a character. Character you are working like a variable, means undefined symbol, it will show that one, right? See that illegal character you are using. Either you have to use a constant only, an integer constant or character constant. Okay, but if I used automatically like a, it is not defined, like @ not defined, it is an illegal character you are using. That when you are getting a illegal character, you will get this type of, right? Okay, now if I used double quotes, what will happen? This is also one important. We see that basic questions you will get in interview from this only. Condition is true. Why? Because in double quotes, null character is there. Null character ASCII value is 48, right? Sorry, null character ASCII value is something integer, that is a 0. 0 means null character is a separate value. It has some ASCII value, based on that it will print. So you will get that ASCII value, okay, and based on that it will print. Even space also one character, that character have a ASCII value. Based on space character, it will print the output. Okay, this is the way we can use. Okay, and this is the different scenarios we can use with the if block. Okay, these are the hidden treasures we learn with the if block. Next time we will meet with the another control statement with this type of discussion. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please comment us, and feel too free to give your comments. Okay, and we'll modify and we'll give the better videos based on your comments. Thank you.